Class 10, Chapter 1, Exercise 2, second bit, first one, Method 2. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Second bit, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. First one, 12, 15 and 21. Already method 1 explained in part 1. Now method 2. All the teachers will tell the method 2 only. But method 1 is very easy. Keep it in mind. This problem same bit there in NCERT 1.2 exercise 1.2 question 3 class 10 and class 6 TS and AP syllabus 6th class chapter 3 also there same method 6th class there that method only in 10th class TS syllabus given. Before explaining this problem, first I will explain example 4. First 12 is equals to factors will find LCM means 2 into 2 into 3. 18 LCM will find means 2 into 3 into 3. Means what you write 2 into 2? 2 square into this 3 you'll write. As well as for this 2 into 3 into 3 means 3 square. Okay. Now HCF is equals to HCF is equals to product of smallest powers of each common prime factors of the numbers. Okay, product of the smallest power the smallest powers of each common prime factors of the number. See, common prime factor means, see, in this 2 square there, in this 2 there, but in this 2, in this which is the smallest power, this is bigger, 2 is bigger, 1 is smaller, therefore 2 to the power of 1, and this is also common, and in this also 3 common, but power which is the power small one, 3 to the power of 1, means 2 into 3 is equals to 6 here. No need to write here power symbol, no need to write. 2 into 3 is equals to 6 you write. Therefore LCM is equals to, again LCM means what, means product means multiply, product of greatest powers of each prime factors of the numbers, where HCF means product of smallest common prime factors. Common in this 2 there, in this 2 there, means common. In this power which is small there, means you'll write. In this 3 there, in this 3 there, means common. In this which is power small there, means you'll write here as HCF. Whereas LCM, here common not there, simply product of greatest power of each prime factors. In this which is greatest, 2 to the power of 2. Okay. In this 3 which is greatest power, 3 square. Means 2 into 2. 2 square means what you write? 2 into 2. And 3 square means what you write? 3 into 3. 2 to 4. 4 into 9 is equals to 36. Therefore LCM is equals to 36. This is example 4. By seeing this example only you'll understand, otherwise you can't understand. Once again I'll tell in Hindi and Telugu. HCF फाइंड आउट करना बोलते क्या बोलते हैं ये मेथड में, ये कॉमन भी रहना, इसकी पावर छोटा रहना, लेकिन छोटा है तो इसका छोटा पावर रहना वो लिखना यहाँ पर. इसमें भी ये कॉमन रहना, फिर उसकी पावर छोटा रहे तो वो लिखना, वो HCF बनता. LCM बोलता क्या बोलता, इसमें कॉमन नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, इसमें 2 है तो इसमें 2 भी नहीं है तो भी इसकी पावर बड़ा है तो ज़्यादा है तो वो लिखना. इस 3 है ना, इसमें ज़्यादा पावर कौन सा है, 3 स्क्वायर बोलते वो लिखना, మల్టిప్లై करना. తెలుగు ఈ 2 అనేది కామన్ ఉండాలి. HCF అంటే మళ్ళీ పవర్ చిన్నగా ఉన్నది మనం రాయాలి. HCF అంటే ఇందులో కామన్ ఉండాలి, అంటే ఇందులో 3 ఉందంటే ఇందులో కూడా 3 ఉండాలి, మళ్ళీ ఇందులో పవర్ చిన్నగా ఉన్నది ఇక్కడ రాయాలి, అది HCF అవుతుంది. LCM అంటే ఏంటంటే కామన్ ఉండదు, కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 లేకున్నా కూడా ఇక్కడ పవర్ పెద్దగా ఉన్నది మనం ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఇందులో 3లో ఈ పవర్ పెద్దగా ఏది ఉన్నది అంటే ఇది ఉన్నది అంటే 3 స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి, అంటే 4 9s 36 అన్నట్టు. Now exercise 2, second bit, first one, 12. Find the LCM for the 12 means 2 into 3. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. LCM you'll find means this only you'll get. 15 means 3 into 5. You know already, no need to find, without LCM finding only you can write. And 21 means what? 3 into 7. 3 7s 21. Okay, now HCF is equals to what? it should be product of smallest powers of each common prime factors. Okay, each common prime factors. In this 3, this common there, and smallest power 3 there, means HCF is equals to 3, whereas LCM is equals to what? LCM is equals to product of the greatest powers, product of the greatest powers of each prime factors of the numbers. This 2 into 2 there, no, 2 square I'll write here. LCM means what? Product of greatest powers of each prime factors. Greatest powers, in this 2 square is the greatest power, and into 3 to the power of 1 into 5 into 7. Here no need to write 1. Okay. Why I am taking here 3 to the power of 1 means 3 to the power of 0 also will be, no. 3 to the power of 0 means 1. 3 to the power of 1 means in this 3 to the power of 0, 3 to the power of 1. In this which is big? 3 to the power of 1 only big, no. That's why I wrote 3. Okay. Suppose here 5 alone there, means what? How like you should take means here any value 5 not there. But sir, how like he wrote 5 means 5 to the power of 0 and 5 to the power of 1. 5 to the power of 0 means 1. 5 to the power of 1 means this is the power bigger than this, no. Therefore 5 you should write like this. Okay. Now you multiply this 2 into 2 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay. 5 4 is 20. 23 is 60. 6 7 is 42. Means 420. Therefore LCM is equals to 420.